This video will show you how to replace an Onyx Recumbent Cycle cup holder. Your cycle has 3 serial number stickers. Three of the cup holder bracket sides have a long horizontal hole. There is also a hole at the base of the cup holder bracket. Use one hand to press upward through the hole at the bottom of the bracket. Then use a plastic pry tool to press into each groove and push the cup holder upwards. Continue making these adjustments until you can remove the cup holder from the frame. Install the new cup holder. When you insert the cup holder, make sure that the flap is facing the correct direction. You have finished cup holder replacement.